Hello and welcome to the Who How YouTube channel. This tutorial is on how to write an exam on exam.net. So step 1, you have to enter the name of the website exam.net. Step 2, click on the link. Step 3, as you are a student, you're not supposed to register on exam.net. An exam key will be provided to you by your teacher either one day before the exam or a few hours before the exam as per the rules and regulations set by your respective schools. So I'm going to enter the exam key right now. It's VRNEIQ. So I'm going to click on the next button. I'm going to fill in all the details, the first name, the last name, the class, the email address. You have to fill in your personal email address over here, and then the teacher's name, and then you have to fill in the student ID, say your roll number or your enrollment number, and then you have to fetch the exam. So you will see a notification over here waiting for the exam to open. Say the exam is scheduled from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. in the morning, and you have filled in and logged in all your details at 9:45. So you have to wait for 15 minutes till your teacher opens the exam for everyone. So say the exam has been opened now, and another notification will come soon saying that the exam is ready and you can begin the exam. And as soon as you will click on the begin exam button, you will enter into a full screen mode. And as you can see, this is the question paper that has been given, and this is the work area in which I can write my answers. Either this layout is, if this layout is suitable to you, good enough, or you can change the layout by doing so, clicking on the side by side option. And here the question is given and you can write your answers over here. So for say section A, fill in the blanks. Serial number 1, serial number 2, I can write my answers like this, and then I can go to multiple choice questions, and I have to write the serial number and then I have to write my answer. Say A, then I have to write the serial number and write my answer, because over here the serial number is very important, because as you must be knowing, this is your answer sheet, and this answer sheet will be given to you, will be sent to your teacher. So you have to be really very sequential over here. So okay, say I'm writing something and suddenly I press the Windows key on my keyboard. So why is this so? Because the AI that is present in exam.net make sure that as soon as a student exits a full screen or opens another app or another tab, that means that the student is cheating right now. So it is, as it is based on an AI software, it will presume that the student is cheating right now. So it will given a window like this that you have been logged out, and you have to give an explanation. Say I pressed the Windows key on my keyboard. So please be careful, because this explanation will be given to your teacher with your answer sheet. She will know how many times you have been logged out of your exam, and hence the marking for your exams will be done accordingly. So request unlock, and you can write your exams and just click on end if you have completed your exam, and click on submit exam. Submit exam. Okay, now you will exit. Now this this screen will show that that your exam has been submitted to your teacher. Cool. Another option is when say you are giving the exam and it's 10:15. I will just enter the exam key. Student ID, say I'm roll number 5 and I want to enter the exam, but the exam has been scheduled from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and it's already 10:15 right now, so I cannot enter the exam hall. Say giving an exam and you cannot enter a exam hall after 15 minutes, the same conditions will apply over here also. If the teacher closes the exam, that means all the existing students can give their exam, but the students who enter after 10:15 cannot give their exam. And this notification will appear. Although this notification will appear, the students should know that they are 15 or 20 minutes late for giving the exam and they will not be allowed to give the exam. So, okay, this is another situation that can appear. One more situation that can appear is, I will just enter all the details quickly to show you what is another scenario that can happen when you're late for giving the exam. Say I'm roll number 6 and I have entered the exam. The exam is open and I enter the exam at 10 a.m. exactly, and I am starting my exam and it's been say 1 hour. Like it's So I'm writing my exam, I'm writing everything that I know, every answer that I know, and say I am on section D right now. For example, say I'm on section D, and as it is a 1 hour exam and it's already um, 1 hour is gonna be over in like 5 minutes or so. So I am writing all the exams, and suddenly I am on question number 40 and it's 11 a.m. So what can happen to me is that while writing the answer, suddenly my exam will be submitted. Even if I haven't clicked on the option of submit your exam, my exam will be submitted by itself because the exam time was for 1 hour and I took beyond that time. So the exam will be submitted by will get submitted by itself. And that is how we write exams on exam.net. As it is governed by an AI, it is a time-based website, so be careful that you don't exit the full screen mode, that is by opening multiple tabs, as it will count as use of unfair means and result in the exam getting locked. Try to fill the essential details 3 or 4 minutes before the allotted time of the exam. So, if you have liked my video, please share and subscribe to the YouTube channel Who How for more fun and educational videos. Thank you.